Oh, okay. New cell phone. Trying to figure out how to make this thing work. Video. Temperature 30 degrees. Project. The crane. Moved around yesterday. Put that fancy pin in there so I can pull it around. Light there, light there, light there, light there. Two more up there on the top. And I gotta figure out if I gotta put any lights in here. That's pretty thick metal. But yes, I got lights up there, and I got lights here. And let me see here. I'll hook up some batteries. And turn on some lights. Yeah, spur of the moment here. Turn that one on. Turn that one on. Oh, yes. Got this in the mail yesterday, or day before yesterday. Got it mounted. 4,500 pound winch. That's the original hook that was on the crane when I got it. And of course you can see the original winch. Eight ball on the gear shift, yes. 8 ball spinner on the steering wheel. And of course the old flathead 6 in there. And there's my neighbor's dog that wants me to come over and pet him. Well, that's a marker light, turn signal combination because it's 8 feet wide, required as on by DOT regulations. I'm going to make this thing towable. And tail lights there. Tail lights there. Those have reflectors in them. Oh yeah. And other tail lights. And of course, tail lights up there on the end of the boom too. Well, that's it, folks. Hope you enjoyed the video. Got to finish wiring up the lights.